So this is just a quick video as an overview of the APA citation assignments. And I just wanted to go over what the resources were inside. So in Unit 1, Activity 5, so you just want to make sure that you're going into the content, and then it shows Unit 1, Activity 5, and that you've opened up that material, because within that is the information that you need in order to complete it. So this was really important in terms of accessing databases, because one of the resources that you need to find is a database. And this is just a general guide as to APA citation. So what you were asking me is if you have to find information. So I'm just going to go back to that very quickly. So you asked, I know we're supposed to pick a topic. Now are we supposed to put that info on that topic and why it's bad, etc. Also the topic / books website, are we supposed to find a resource that shows drug cases in those? So here's the key thing. You are simply showing that you can find resources. You are not actually producing any research. So this was the practice one. So you're picking one of those and using a search engine, finding a journal article, a newspaper article, and video clip. So you're just finding those resources. So if I was to pick teenage pregnancy, I can use these databases right here to see if I can find those. You can also look through YouTube to see if there's a video or a documentary about teen pregnancy, etc. And you're simply providing the APA citation. That's the format in which you need to present it. So all you're going to do is present to me a document that has the bibliographic information, the references list of the sources that you found on that topic. And then this is for practice so that you can hand it in for feedback. This one down here, you're going to choose your own. So if you choose drug addiction, then you're going to look for a book, magazine, article, and do the bibliographic information on each one of those. Okay, so all you're providing to me is the references list that would go at the back of your research. You're not actually doing any research. You're not reading them at this point. And so that's what you're doing. You're going to find the bibliographic information for a book, a magazine article, a newspaper article, a website, database, journal article, which I showed you up above, in a film video. And you're just going to take where it's located and the bibliographic information and put it into APA citation. If this isn't what you were talking about or what you're asking about, don't hesitate to message me and just say that's not what it was. I also wanted you to see that in the course home, that there were videos about how to do APA citation, and that in this video there were guides as well as some resources in order to be able to do that. You just click here to be able to access those links.